Hi, I'm Rob Selvig, Tech Service Advisor at DIG. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to install a LEIT1 ambient light-powered irrigation controller with manual valve adapter to automate a manual anti-siphon valve. This product can be installed on most 3/4 inch and 1 inch brass or plastic manual valves. It is set up at the factory to fit 3/4 inch valves. Today I'm going to be installing this on a 1 inch brass anti-siphon valve. Please see our other video on converting your actuator from a 3/4 inch to a 1 inch. The following steps will be the same regardless of valve size. For this installation, all you will need is a pair of channel lock pliers. First, shut off the water supply. Use the pliers to unscrew and remove the anti-siphon cap. The float and the manual stem. Then remove the old gasket if necessary. Next, with the new gasket in place, start turning the adapter into the valve body in a clockwise direction. After a few turns, slide the anti-siphon cap into the gap, and with the float in place, start screwing it back into the downstream side of the valve. After you get the cap started, finish tightening the adapter with the pliers, and then finish tightening the cap. You want to get them wrench tight, but do not over tighten. The final step is to open up the water supply valve. Make sure there are no leaks and the actuator closes completely. Thank you for watching.